Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. I've got a cool walk around video for you all today. But of course, if it's your first time with us, welcome. My name is Jake and I am the owner operator of Success Motors down here in College Station, Texas. And we sell some pretty cool vehicles. We sell a lot of Ford Excursions, a lot of diesel trucks, fast cars, things like that that I find interesting, and hopefully you guys do as well. But what you can expect over the next 15 to 20 minutes is I'm going to show every imperfection. I'm going to tell you all about the history, everything that I know about this truck, so that if you're interested in buying it and you're not in Texas, you would feel comfortable buying it sight unseen. Now, I've always got to say, I would advise you to come to College Station, put your hands on it, test drive it, look at it, because inevitably I'm going to miss something. I'm going to miss something that maybe you're going to find. So I try to show you everything. But again, I always recommend coming to College Station. But if that's not possible for you, we can absolutely handle everything electronically and we can get this rig delivered to you. But anyway, without further ado, guys, this is a really cool truck. It's a new truck. It's basically a brand new used truck, right? This thing is, I mean, almost flawless, if not flawless. So it's a 2021 Ram 2500 Cummins diesel 4-wheel drive. Guys, this one is the limited. So it's the top tier Ram you can get. Of course, we'll drive the truck in a minute. I'll show you up underneath it. I'll show you inside, and I'll show you under the hood. But guys, this is the top dog Ram 2500 you can get. You can see right there, it is a limited. It's in, I mean, basically brand new condition. It has 24,000 miles on it, 24,000 miles. And it is a one owner, clean Carfax, no accidents. I mean, it is superb. Still has factory warranty remaining on both the powertrain and bumper to bumper. We're running what I believe to be a 6-inch, it could be an 8-inch lift. This could be an 8-inch lift, but I believe it's a 6-inch lift, 6 or 8-inch lift. We've got Fox shocks all around. I don't know if those are the factory radius arms or not. I don't believe they are. They look beefier, a little fancier. The lift looks like it was done really well, guys. I'll show you the back here in a minute. And it actually rides really good for a big lifted truck. I think the lift was done well. And it also looks like it was, of course the truck is new, but looks like it was done recently. All the rubber grommets and everything look like they're in good shape. And then it's got a set of 24-inch fuel wheels. I can only assume these are probably 24 by 12s. 24-inch, probably 24 by 12s. Could be 24 by 10, but probably 24 by 12-inch fuel wheels. They're in perfect condition. I'll show you all of them, but I haven't seen any curb rash. We're also running a set of Nitto Ridge Grappler size 315/50 R24s. So this is a 24-inch wheel. Tread depth is good. These are not new tires, but it does have good tread depth. So these have a lot of life left to give. Not brand new tires, but they do hold air and they've got good tread. All right. It's also no secret if you've watched any of these videos before. These I really am become partial to these Ram trucks. They do such a good job. The interior specifically is so nice. They just do a really good job on these diesel trucks. Not seeing any damage to show you. I'm not aware of any dents. I'm not aware of any big scratches. Looks like maybe that is nope, not a rock chip, just some dirt. We didn't do a paint correction or anything because again, it's basically a brand new truck. It's only a few years old. Looks like it was garage kept. I mean, it is immaculate. Anything that you're seeing like that is just a speck of dust because I did have to drive it over here. I mean, just really beautiful. No door dings, no dents, no scratches. Beautiful. Again, I'll show you the other wheel just to make sure you can see. I don't see any curb rash on this wheel either. Great condition. All stock emissions, you know, stock intake exhaust. The truck is bone stock with the exception of the lift, the wheels, and the tires. You can see Fox shocks in the rear. You can see the, I don't know if this truck came like this. This looks like I don't know. I don't know Rams that well, but I think this is a part of the lift. It looks like it's got a 4-link in the rear. If you know more about Ram trucks than I do, let me know. But I believe it's been lifted right, and they've addressed the rear end as well. Just all looks good, clean, professional. And again, the truck rides really good. Also, you can see we do have the Leer camper shell on the back. This is the high-end upper echelon Leer. You can see because it has the one solid window versus the broken up window. It's like their LX or something like that. Coming around back, again, no dents, no dings, no scratches that we've seen. Backup sensors, of course. Backup camera, of course. Let me show you inside the Leer camper. It doesn't look like anything's ever been back here. My bag's back there, sorry about that, but you got a 115 outlet back there. Oh, it's the 100XQ, if I'm reading that right. 100XQ Leer. But rhino lined or bed lined back here, probably came from Dodge like that. Doesn't look like anything has ever been in the back of that truck. Just beautiful. The camper shell, of course, is in great condition. It does have the third brake light up there. Of course, it's a four-wheel drive off-road package. Again, not seeing any dents, dings, or scratches. Guys, if you have any questions about this, give me a call at 979-202-1948. You can email us, info@successmotors.net. Again, ridge grapplers all the way around, fuel wheels all the way around, Fox shocks all the way around. Check out how clean the wheel well is. I mean, just the frame, everything is clean. Again, it's the mega cab, so it gets you a ton of space. Love the mega cab. Love the interior of these trucks. Just incredible. Of course, it has the power deployable running boards. The paint is a black, but it's got this beautiful like metallic in it, so it's got a nice little shimmer to it. Man, I don't know what to show you here. This thing is perfect. It's a lot easier video than when I do these excursions. Everything is clean. It's a great truck, very clean. Note, I didn't see any dents. We didn't see a single dent on this truck. Check out the grill on this thing is epic. That's one of my favorite parts about the Ram. Beautiful integration of the lights and the Ram. It does have a front mounted camera. It's got these big, beautiful, like chrome tow hooks or recovery hooks. It's got sensors in the front. I don't know if you can see, I'm about 6'8". No, I'm just kidding. I'm about 5'10", and that's where the truck comes up on me. So yeah, it's a pretty big truck. Hood, of course, is perfect, and the glass doesn't have any cracks or anything in it, the windshield. All right, let's look inside these trucks, because these Ram trucks are so nice on the inside. It's the Limited, which is like the upper echelon, so it gives you the memory seats, of course. It's got this beautiful stitching. This is all leather, soft touch. That's a wood. Again, the power deployable running boards. Got a nice, beautiful seal plate here. That's metal. It says Ram Limited branded floor mats with a nice carpet. Power seats, of course. Leather is perfect because it's in brand new. It's a brand new truck basically. I like the steering wheel on these Rams also because I like the whatever this material is. I doubt it's probably wood, but it feels good in your hand. You can see 24,470 miles. Just beautiful leather dash, Harman Kardon upgraded stereo. Here's your keys to your Leer camper. Big screen from the factory, of course. Push button start. This is a 2021. I think the first part of 2021 they didn't come with this screen, so this must be I think they went to it in 2022, which would mean this is a late model 2021. Trailer brake controller, integrated four-wheel drive, of course. Check out, these are all, this whole system is just so nice by Ram. So you got all that there. You can charge your phone. It's got the wireless charging. It's got a gigantic just storage area. And then it says Limited right there, which is dope. And then you've got a multi-level console, which is epic. This one does have a sunroof. And then, of course, all that stuff there. Just beautiful, guys. This is a brand new truck. Even the speaker cases are metal. That's just nice, high end. It's what you would expect for how expensive this truck was when it was new. Again, the back doors are the same, lots of the same stitching and the wood trim. You get the metal seal plate there still, not steel, or it could be steel, I guess. And then Limited. This one again is the mega cab, so tons of space. The seat can recline. Sorry, the sun's kind of causing a glare. Everything in this truck is perfect, guys. Back seat probably never sat in. It still has the same genuine leather care from Ram right there on that seat. There's another angle of the front. Back here you got heated seats and you got air conditioner, and you've got you got the USB and the USB-C port. A nice speaker right here, again in metal. Just crazy. Crazy. Big fan of these Dodges. Big fan of these Dodges. We'll wrap this up here pretty soon. I'll show you under the hood and we'll take it for a test drive. But just want you to be aware of the exact condition. And I would say exact condition is almost perfect. I mean, it's got 24,000 miles on it, but it's, you know, effectively a brand spanking new truck. And I believe the factory warranty on the powertrain for Ram is to 60. It might be, no, I think it's to 100,000 miles on these diesels. Don't quote me on that, but I want to say I did the research, and the factory powertrain is to 100,000 miles on this truck. So again, it's completely stock motor-wise, so you've got your full, almost your full warranty still intact on the powertrain. So you could buy this truck, and again, it's like a brand new truck. It's had, who knows, $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 worth of stuff done to it. And I think the person that I got it from said that it had like $30,000 worth of stuff done to it. You never can prove that. But clearly, if you're buying a new truck, you're gonna save a lot of money if you buy this truck and it's already been done to it. If you're planning to buy a truck like this and do it to it, like, it just makes a lot more financial sense to buy one that it's already had done. I can't really see up there, I'm just holding the GoPro up, but all stock, clean, fully serviced, by the way. We had the oil changed and the fuel filters done, so it's completely ready to rock and roll. And then I'll show you the key. It does have, you know, proximity entry, and it does have remote. It does have remote start on the key. Put the key right there. But we are push button. No engine lights, no warning lights, no nada. I don't know what that little off light is. I think maybe just the hood's open. But anyway, 24,470 miles. Yeah, hood's open. Beautiful truck. Again, these screens are epic. Of course, everything works in here. There's nothing to show you. It all works. These Rams are epic. All right. Let you hear it idle. Again, runs perfect, sounds perfect, stock emissions, stock exhaust, stock everything. All right, let's take this thing for a test drive. As expected, whatever that light was went away when I closed the hood, just so you can see that. The truck didn't prefer the hood being open, I guess. What else to tell you? Like and subscribe to the channel, guys. It'd be helpful for me. I appreciate it if you would. 2021 Ram Limited 2500 diesel 4-wheel drive, probably an 8-inch lift, Fox shocks, fuel wheels, Nitto tires. Limited, beautiful. Everything works. No dents, no dings, no major scratches. Leer camper shell. No accidents, one owner. Doesn't get any better than this, guys. All right, let's go for a test drive. Oh, and factory warranty. Loaded, Harbin Kardon stereo. This is it, folks. If you guys are in the market, this one is it. Again, it rides good, runs good. The ride is better than you would expect it to be. It's just, I've had a lot of lifted trucks at this point, and it rides as good as any lifted truck that I have ever driven. Better than any lifted truck I've ever driven. Usually I go left out of here, but I'm gonna go right out of here today. No, I'll go left. I'm gonna miss a bumpy road. That road that I would have turned on is so bumpy. It'd make even the nicest Cadillac Escalade look like it had a bumpy ride. But there you go, guys. Again, I don't know what else to say. It's a brand new truck, effectively. Rides good, runs good, steering is tight. You can see there's no weird shimmies in the steering wheel or anything. You know, it is still a lifted truck, and it still does have 24-inch wheels on there, so probably doesn't ride quite as smooth and easy as a a stock truck. But that being said, it drives very good for a lifted truck. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, let me know. Again, 979-202-1948. This truck isn't for you and you're looking for a excursion, we got a couple of them, but you got to act quick because I think we have 4 or 5 of them right now, and 2 of them got sold just yesterday. So if you see something on the channel that you like, let me know quickly because they typically go pretty quickly. But anyway, guys, that's all I got. This one was pretty straightforward, only a 15-minute video. Again, we can send this thing to you no matter where you are in the country. It's pretty inexpensive to do that. Usually it's less than $1,200 no matter where you are, as long as you're in the lower 48. I don't know about Hawaii or something like that. But anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. God bless you guys, and we'll talk to you soon.